end relief as 90 Palestinian prisoners released from Israeli jails return home. Thousands turned out across the occupied West Bank to witness loved ones reunite. But for many, the memories of what they were forced to endure will remain.
I left hell and now I'm in heaven.
ninkaas wuxuu yidhi cadaabaan ku jiray
They used to
ilaahay baa
fire
iga
at
soo
us,
saaray
beat us, fire tear gas towards us. They used to count us while our heads were down on the floor. Suddenly,
madaxay
their
naga
heads
tumi jireen buu
themselves
yidhi
fired gas
markaan
towards
jeelka
us.
ku jirnay
They said bad words at us.
wuxuu yidhi way nacaayi jireen habeen iyo maalinba
No salt. There's nothing.
ilaahay baa
Women
naga
and
soo
children
saaray
are the first to be
waa
freed
dadkan waa
in
dadkii
phase
laga
1
sii
of
daayay
the long-awaited
maxaabiistii
ceasefire deal between
falastiin ee
Israel
lagu
and
haystay
Hamas.
israa'iil
Nearly 2,000 Palestinian prisoners are
2,000
expected to
baa
be
la soo
released
daayay
over a 6-week period.
2,000 baa la sii daayay haddii ilaa kale ilaa 6
They
week baa
give
laga
us
jeedaa
little time to go out of the prison cells. At 1 p.m. we leave the cells like chickens, and
waa
then we
haddii
will
habeenkii
return to
la
our cells.
sida chickenkana loo xarayn jiray sida digaaggana loo xarayn jiray bay tiri
Doristan Prisha, Emily Damari,
kuwana
and
waa
Johnny
kuwii
Golden.
israa'iiliyiinta
They
ahaa
were reunited with their families after spending 15 months in
kuwana waa
captivity.
falastiiniyiintii la sii daayay maasha allah
Hundreds watched the events unfold in Tel Aviv.
It was very stressful days, and not knowing if she's going to be on the list or not. And now seeing her,
kuwana waa yahuudi
see that she can walk.
As the ceasefire took
kuwana waa
hold,
masaakiintii
some of the
falastiin
Palestinian forcibly displaced by Israel's war
Subhanallah.
returned to Rafah,
waxba
Khan Yunis,
malaha
and
way
Jabalia. Many
Sida ay-
were faced with devastation to
waxay
find homes
xasuusisaa
flattened
kuwani
and left
sidii
unrecognizable.
Somaliland loo dudumiyey oo kale
We
weeyaan
came here this morning as they announced the
waxaan ku leeyahay
ceasefire.
nimankan
We came with
iyo
hope,
dumarka
thinking
masaakiinta
we might
muslimka
find a single room,
waxaa
anything
werwerina
simple, just a small
waddankiina
shelter
waa
to
dhisan
protect us.
doontaan
But
sidaan
when
u
we
dhisanay
arrived, we
Somaliland
found this tragic. From the moment we reached
you will
Jabalia,
rebuild
we
your
knew
country
nobody
like the
could
way
be
we
spared.
rebuilt
We
Somaliland
realized we wouldn't find a single house standing.
Like many, Amal has nowhere else to go, and she says
iyagu masaakiinta
she will have to rebuild her
gurigooda
life
eeg
and that of her families
subxaan allah
with what she has salvaged. As
qalbigaa
part of the
xanuunaya
deal,
niyo
8 convoys from the United Nations